Hey loves, in today's haul in action, I am creating this glittery cut crease eye look using the Bebe Floral Fantasy Eyeshadow Palette and trying out the Manna Kadar Lip Lounge Mini Lipstick Set from Burlington. I purchased the Bebe Floral Fantasy 15 color eyeshadow palette from Burlington for $7. I also purchased the Manna Kadar Beauty Lip Lounge 10-piece mini lipstick set for $6. At first glance, I thought a few of the lipsticks looked similar in color, and that's because two of them are. I got doubles of the shades Next Time and Besties, so I really only got 8 lipsticks for $6. I am using shade Sugar as my brow bone highlight. I am applying it using my Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. It is a matte cream shadow, and it took a lot of building to get an opaque finish. With the BH Cosmetics V9, I'm creating my new crease with the shade Luxe. And I'm starting right above the natural crease of my eye and extending upward as I get closer to the tail of my brow. For my lid shadow, I am using the Nicka K round eyeshadow brush to apply Radiant. For my shimmery brow bone highlight, I am using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush to apply the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in Fairy. To get a more seamless blend of my brow bone highlight and my crease shadow, I'm taking a little bit of Luxe on the Energy M125 and blending right where the two colors meet. In preparation for my false lashes, I am applying a thin coat of the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. I am lining my cut crease with the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Crystal Silk. I hauled this liner in my last video. That will be available in the description. I am wearing the Ioni Wispy Medium Full 3-strand individual lashes. I purchased these from Dollar Tree. I do have a review and first impressions application video up. It will be in the description if you're interested. I am blending Pretty along my lower lash line using the Energy M111. On my waterline, I am using the ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Best O. To complete my eye makeup, I am going back to the BH Cosmetics V9 and highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Foxy. Here's my completed Floral Fantasy Glitter Cut Crease eye makeup. I really enjoyed using the Bebe Floral Fantasy eyeshadow palette. The shadows, with the exception of 2, are extremely soft. They're buttery smooth. They applied flawlessly. The shimmers are amazing as well, especially when applied wet. On to my lashes. On my review video, someone commented that I should apply them underneath my lashes, so that's what I did today, and they look so much better. I am applying the Manna Kadar lipstick in the shade Next Time. This lipstick applies more like a balm. It has a really lightweight formula and amazing pigmentation. It is also very creamy. I am now applying Dance Party. It is a purple berry color. Mixing these two shades together matched with the eye makeup perfectly. The Manna Kadar Lip Lounge lipsticks have a lightweight, balmy feel on the lips. They're immensely pigmented, and I also really like the color selection. Another successful haul. I really like the 2 products that I featured in today's haul in action. If you're interested in the rest of the products that I used to create this makeup look, they will be available in the description. If you would like to check out more of my haul in action series, that playlist will also be available in the description. Leave a comment below telling me what you think of my makeup look, and until next time, bye loves!